You're scared about quitting your job? Tell me this. Why will it be totally worth it? Why will it be the best decision you've ever made? Now, your brain is pulling you off of that track. I'm seeing it, right? So this is what happens. We make decisions. We go all in on ourselves, right? You took all your savings, you borrowed some money, you're like, I'm all in. And then you're like, oh my God, what have I done? Right? Oh my God, I want to quit my job. But if you were to think about it this way, I mean, as soon as you said, I'm quitting my job in February and coming to masterclass in February, I'm like, well, that was brilliant. Right? That's amazing because your brain is going to go, you're going to leave in February from working with me with a totally different perspective that you wouldn't have had otherwise. But your brain isn't going there. Your brain, it doesn't have your back. It's not supporting your decision. Your brain's telling you, you're probably going to die. When you make big decisions like starting your own business or quitting your job or getting married or losing weight, whatever it is, when you make those decisions, you are all of a sudden going to be freaked out. This is normal. You're a human being. You have two options. You can start funneling that energy into taking action to support yourself and have your back on your dream, or you can start buffering. One of them will prove your freaked out brain true, and the other one will prove your dreams true. So I just want you to be aware of this. You're going to, what if this doesn't work? What if I can't do it? This is so scary. All of those thoughts don't mean anything. They're just your brain freaking out. If you believe those thoughts and you think those thoughts are important and you think those thoughts are meaningful and that you should listen to them, you won't quit your job. You'll stay in your current job. And you won't follow your dreams. Now, here's what's important. Your default thinking is going to take you to a place where you don't believe in yourself, where you stay the same, where you keep the job, where you don't quit, right? That's all going to be your default. In order to think in a different way, that's going to take a lot more energy to believe that you can help people. But as soon as you believe in that and you know that there's people waiting for you, there's people that are struggling that need your help, then that will help you go out there and be uncomfortable in that way instead of hiding and being uncomfortable in this other way. The reason you allow your feelings is so you can get access to the thoughts causing them.
Okay.
That's why you allow them. You're causing all this fear by the way you're thinking. Okay, so you want to allow your feelings only so you get access to the thoughts causing them, and then you can decide whether you want to keep believing what you've been believing. To quit a corporate job that's providing you with cash on a, monthly basis to go start your own business is no joke.
Yeah.
That is like awesome stuff to do with your life. But that's not going to come easy. And I'm so glad it doesn't come easy because it requires us to become more of who we are. So that is your work. You're afraid. Who cares? Like, don't make it some big deal, right? You're like, I'm afraid. It means that I shouldn't be doing that. No, I'm afraid. You know what it means? That you're human. Now what? Now it's not an excuse not to take action. Now all of a sudden you have something to do. You know what the problem is we want courage to feel good. Courage doesn't feel good, my friends. You're not like, oh, I feel so courageous. Think about someone going into battle that's courageous. They're not like, this is easy. I'm enjoying this. I feel like my passion is being fulfilled. They're like, this is freaking scary. I could die and I'm all in. That's what courage is. And once you build up that courage and take more action, then you'll get confidence. It will get easier in some ways and it'll get harder in other ways. So don't wait for it all to feel good because you'll be waiting a long time. And it's so much easier just to feel good with chips and candy. Keep your eye on where you're going and allow all those other emotions to be there, but don't fool yourself. You're the one causing them. Your brain is. So stop it. Okay. All of you guys that are doing what she's doing, stop it. Keep moving forward. What is the best case scenario? You need to think about that an hour a day.